Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add receipts to Xero. By the end, you'll know how to upload a receipt into Xero's files area so it's safely stored and ready to use with your accounting records. Start by signing in and heading to your Xero dashboard. Before you upload anything, make sure you're working in the correct organization. Look to the top left of the screen for the organization switcher, click your organization name there to open the menu. From that same menu, select Files. This is Xero's built-in storage space where you can keep documents like receipts and invoices, and it's especially helpful for staying audit ready and keeping your paperwork in one place. Once you're in Files, look for the option to upload to Files inbox. Go ahead and click that. This opens your computer's file browser so you can choose the document you want to store. Navigate to where your receipt is saved. This could be a PDF, a photo like a JPG or PNG, or another common image format. Select the receipt you want to add. After you've highlighted the correct file, click Open to begin the upload. You should see a brief progress indicator and then your receipt will appear in the file's inbox list. That confirms it's been added to Xero and is now available to attach to bills or transactions later on, or simply to keep on file for your records. A couple of quick tips to make this easier. First, make sure your receipt image is clear, well lit, and shows the entire document, merchant name, date, amounts, and totals. If you're scanning or taking a photo, place the receipt on a flat, contrasting surface and avoid shadows. Second, consider using a consistent file name, like vendor date suba amount, so it's easy to search and identify later. While you're in Files, you can always spot your latest uploads at the top of the list. If the upload seems slow, give it a moment. Larger files can take a bit longer depending on your internet connection. If nothing appears after a short wait, try refreshing the page and checking again. And remember, adding receipts to the file's inbox doesn't change your accounts by itself. It simply stores the document so you can attach it to a transaction when you're ready. That's all there is to it. You opened your organization menu, went to Files, clicked Upload to Files inbox, chose your receipt, and clicked Open to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.